Hey everybody, it's Travis with Food Forest Design Solutions, and we're here at Tiny Timbers Agrihood, which is a tiny home village in St. Croix Falls, Wisconsin. You can see the play area behind me, greenhouse, community building, and then there is 16 different home sites around the property. And today what we're doing is we added swales around the outer edge of this community area to redirect all the water away from this area that I will turn you around. It was filling up with water, so we changed the landscape a little bit to take advantage and grow food and redirect the water with swales and rain gardens, rock gardens, dry creeks. We'll show you here. Okay, inside this main area here is a annual garden. You see all the raised beds, and if you can see the cardboard, we're starting to lay out this large annual garden area, and we got pathways going this way. They're going to be all mulched, and then we're going to have pathways going this way. So they're going to be 16 feet long by 4 feet across with 18 inches in between. So we'll have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 4 feet by 16 feet vegetable beds and in between each in the center and rows going this way, we are going to plant perennial insect attractors and all types of medicinals in between the rows. But we're cutting all the cardboard to size, and see, we got skid steer going. We have about 30 people out here helping with this install, and I'm going to take you over here and show you the rain. Now here's the entrance here. And we got our design. This is the raised garden bed area that's right over there, and across the roadway here is a pond. We won't be getting to that today. And this is the area I'm standing right here, and there's the fire pit there, raised beds, and here's the area we're turning into a large annual garden. And I'll take you over. Excuse me. And around this side, these is around here, directing all the water around this area to gather in this, going to be a fish pond here, and then across all the overflow goes into the pond that's on that design over there. So here's the greenhouse behind me, and that's what we're trying to get this all in the ground today, except the vegetables. We probably won't get those planted today. And then here is the layout. This is the garden that we're putting in right there, and he's moving that mulch so it's easier. All perfect. 2 buckets in front of each. That's gonna make it easy to spread this mulch. Awesome. So I figure in about 2 hours we should be ready.